Janine Gutierrez and Jericho Rosales upcoming new teleserye ngayong 2025, kakaiba raw compare sa Lavender Fields, kaabang-abang talaga.
After Lavender Fields, anong pasabog mo this 2025? I think it's a new teleserye with Echo, di ba?
Yes, meron. Yes.
Pero gaano ito sa tingin mo kakaiba from Lavender Fields?
Iba siya. Excited ako to share more with you kapag pwede na. Pero I'll be working with people na never ko pa naka-work. And then syempre sa Lavender Fields kasi parang hindi naman kami, parang umpisa pa lang kasi mag-away na kami ni Tyrone, di ba? Na character ni Echo. So, dito parang ibang kwento naman ang tatahakin. And
something closer to your personal life then.
Hindi, malayo.
Okay.
Actually, hindi ko pa masyadong mapaliwanag pero bago siya.
Kamusta naman reaction lang si Echo ang gaganap na Manuel Quezon?
Yes.
Reaction?
I'm so excited kasi I love historical drama at yung mga period project, lalo na pagtungkol sa Pilipinas. So, excited ako kasi ang tagal na rin yung di gumawa ng pelikula, and I'm sure everyone is looking forward not only to the Quezon film pero him playing Quezon.
Correct. Bihira ka namin makitang walang makeup, but still you're beautiful.
Thank you.
How do you maintain that, kapatid?
Well, recently, 7 days pa lang actually, I tried this new skincare routine, yung Nivea Luminous 630 with Thiametol. And actually, nagulat din talaga ako na meron talaga siyang results agad. Kasi madalas naman sinasabi, di ba, na makikita mo agad within 7 days or whatever claim ng araw. Pero nung nag-before and after ako, parang naging mas luminous talaga yung skin. Very nakaka-ring light. So, I'm super happy and excited for everyone to try the product. Lalo may sale ngayon.
Gaano kahalaga for a celebrity like you to influence other people then to maintain a healthy looking skin despite being busy, etc.?
Oo, ako para sa akin kasi sobrang self-care din talaga yung skincare. At the end of a busy day, parang reward ko sa sarili ko na, malinis yung mukha ko and I feel moisturized. Then, it's mas nakaka-happy pa when you see results. Tsaka syempre busy tayong lahat. So happy ako because with this routine, 2 steps lang siya. I mean, di ko na kaya yung mga 10 steps.
Correct.
So, I'm really excited na masubukan din talaga.